my birthday. I am on my way to dinner at Frankie Tomato's in Markham, Scarborough, Ontario. My mom driving me. There's my nephew. Say hi, Gaby. So I'm at Frankie Tomato's, and I'm gonna bring you from the front to the back. We're walking all the way to my seat. They put us all the way in the back, which is fine. Get a nice view. All the eating areas, very Italian, make you feel like you're in Italy. This is in Markham, Ontario. It's a buffet place if you haven't realized. There was a man here playing the accordion. Maybe next time I'll catch him. See, I'm going through the city, the town. Oh, there he is. There he is. And here we are. This is where I'm sitting. You hear the man playing the accordion? I think he's coming up here. Hola. You say hola?
Hey! It's your birthday, come and celebrate. We're singing the song, we're giving the next time to show your face. It's your birthday. Hey, it's your birthday!
Thank you.
Oh, here's a here. Everyone here, Frankie Tomatto's for you. Hey, happy birthday!
Thank you.
Even though it's not my birthday.
Oh.
It's okay, Mommy. You got fire? Yeah.
My nephew is so terrible. He's like, can I drop the balloon on it so it can set on fire? Okay.
So wicked. I blew it up too.
Happy birthday.
So we got a joke. I want you guys to listen carefully.
Can I pop the balloon? Or can I just set
Baby,
it on fire?
Stop talking. Can you hear the music? Can you hear that? So my mom, me and my sister were commenting on the music. We were saying, "Wow, this music sounds awful." While my mom and my nephew were going to get food. So just now, my mom was listening to the music. She didn't hear our comments. What did she say?
You sound like night night out there.
Oh my god! Oh my! And the thing is, we're laughing because it's so true. We're like, what the heck? I'm like, what? Why is music so dreamy? I said I'd rather listen to the accordion player. Oh my god! A 9-night is basically a wake. It's what we do in Jamaica after someone dies. We have a wake. We call it 9-night because it's 9 nights of mourning. But
Nighttime and place.
so like 9 nights all day. I was gonna say East Side Mario's, East Side Mario's, hey, bada boom, bada bing, but it's not East Side Mario's, the man. It's Frankie Tomatto. Yeah, that's the sign there. That's where I'm at. Frankie Tomatoes. My familia is coming. We're leaving now.
Together.
It's my sister.
Ah!
It's my mom. I'm not taking picture. I'm recording. You're going straight home? Okay. Adios. Arrivederci.
What?
Oh, and there's a leaning tower of pizza right there.
Oh, just
And then Frankie Tomatoes. Big place, Markham. All you can eat buffet. When Frankie says eat, you eat. 11 individual dining rooms. That's so true. 15 food stations. So true. Thank you. And what? Over 10 million customers. Yeah. All right. We out.